So the best bout of the day will receive a medal donated by, sponsored by Santa Catalina Cooperative. And another medal donated to the best boxer, the best bout and best boxer of the day. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting boxer, our third Batang Pinoy bout. Introducing first boxer in the red corner, weighing 15 kilograms, all the way from Barangay Pinamaton, Matalam, Cotabato. Let's welcome Tyrone Esteliure. First boxer fighting out in the blue corner, also weighing 15 kilograms, all the way from Kidapawan City. Let's welcome Brian San Obrador. In charge of action, referee Jade Lapawan. At the same time, Judge 1, Judge 2, our referee, Judge Cesar La Rusa, and Judge 3, Mr. Alex Nalsaro.